Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to participate in the Lobster naming challenge. So the first thing you'll need is a running and synced Cardano node. I do have a video right here that will show you how you can set up a VM and set up a Cardano node yourself. So let's see here. Our node is syncing and it is fully in sync, so we're good to go on that end. So the first thing we'll do is we will go into our binary folder. And then next we will git clone the Lobster challenge repository, which has a few scripts in it. So it makes our life a little bit easier to construct and send the transaction for the naming challenge. And I will have all of these commands in a Google Doc so you can easily follow along. Okay, so since I've already done this, it will give me an error because it already exists. We can see here the Lobster challenge folder is already there. And next thing we'll do is we will copy the Cardano CLI binaries into the scripts folder. That way we can just run the commands from the scripts folder itself and we don't have to edit the scripts too much. So next we will cd into the scripts folder itself. So now we can see here we have our Cardano CLI binaries in here. So next we will have to edit the scripts a little bit. We have to edit the node socket path. So if we go in here, you can see I've already changed it, but here would show something that's different than this. In my case, I've installed the Cardano node using CN tools. So the node socket path is cnode home sockets and then node0.socket. So you'll have to change that into whatever it is for you. If you use CN tools, it's likely the same exact path. So we will have to edit all the scripts that use the node socket path. And next thing we'll do is we will copy our payment S key and our payment address into the scripts folder. And after that, we'll check our UTXO balance of our local wallet. In order to do this challenge, you have to have a UTXO that only has ADA on it. So you can see here, there's one UTXO that only has ADA on it. There's another one that has a bunch of other stuff on it, but make sure you have one that only consists of ADA. And next thing we'll do is we'll check the UTXO balance of the address that we're going to be sending our votes to. So here, the important one is this one right here. It's the one that contains the Lobster NFT. And now we're ready to run the contribution script. And actually before that, what we'll do is we'll create a random number between 1 and 100. So we will generate that. And in this case, it's 45. And this is going to be the number that we will use to increase the Lobster counter with. So we'll go back here and we will type in Lobster contribute. And this script takes in a few parameters. So the first one is your local UTXO transaction hash. So that will be this, and then the number sign, and then your transaction index, which is 0 in this case. And the next parameter will be the transaction hash of the destination UTXO. So we will, remember, take the one that has the Lobster NFT in it. So we'll copy that, paste, and then in this case, it's transaction index 1. So we'll go number sign 1. And next up is the change address, which is just our address that we copied earlier, which is addr.wallet. And next thing is our signing key, which we also copied, which is skey.wallet. And next up, we will have the current Lobster counter, which is, if you look right here, Lobster counter, there is this many, so we'll paste that in here. And now we input the updated one, which is the current count plus the random number that you've generated, which is this number plus 45. So we'll copy that, paste it in here. And now last but not least, we have the current votes, which is 324. So we'll copy that. And now if you press enter, it will build and submit your transaction and then vote for this Lobster challenge. And since I've already done this, we won't do this again. But now if you go cat the wallet address, and if you copy that and paste it into Cardano scan, paste that wallet address in here, and then you can see down here is transactions, and then we have one new outbound transaction. If we click that and go to contracts, you can see here there's smart contract execution that was included in this transaction. And yeah, I hope this helps you cast your own votes. If you do have any questions or problems, leave a comment below and I will try and help you with that. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.